Hello everybody, welcome to A Crafter's Story. Thank you so much for stopping by. I was cleaning out some of my drawers and I came across these little clothing pins, and I know that I've had them for a while. I know where I bought them. I just forgot that I had them actually, if I'm going to be honest. But I just thought, gosh, they could be so cute in a journal instead of a little clip or a clasp or a, paper clip. These could be really cute as well. So I've made a few just to show you, and then I can do one with you. Just a quick little one. So I've got some of these bead-like little stickers, and I really just glued it with the hot glue onto the one side, and it still works just fine, and that's going to be really nice. So I could do something on this side as well. I probably should. Maybe put something different on that side, so when it's in the journal and you clipping it and you flip the page, you then see something on the side as well. For now, I've only done one side, but this little one, I just used where's my pen? I just used a uni ball, a 0.7, drew little flowers on it, and then used my paint pens to the white and the red to put a little bloop in the middle. This one, I just took one of the blue ones and took my paint pen. I actually took this acrylic painter, and but you could use the Uni Posca, that's fine. In fact, probably Uniball gel pen would be just fine as well. And I actually see that this one needs a little bit of a sprucing. So just to prove my point, yep, Uniball works just fine on this because they're just little wooden goodies. A little black pen, and then I thought, it's a bit boring with just the black dot. What if I added, I think the acrylic paint pen's probably going to be easier to add a little dot in the middle, just like that. And I'm going to show you something else that I haven't thought to do until just before I hit record. I thought, I think that looks better, hey? What if because there's a hole here, and when you're working with the clothespin, that could maybe have a string or a ribbon or something coming out the bottom here. What do you guys think? I think it'll look nice. I wonder if it'll get stuck in the mechanism. I don't think so. If you guys try it, please let me know. I think that would be kind of cute. And then I used my Liquitex Basics, or any kind of paint, any acrylic paint, and painted this little guy. And I thought, maybe with that one, I can put some gold on it. But let me run through the other two examples and I'll do the gold. Again, just my black and red Uni Posca paint pen, any marker, honestly, any paint, watercolor, not watercolor, sorry, definitely not watercolor. I think that'll just seep into the wood. But the acrylic paints will work fine here. Maybe I'll just leave it like that and do the same on the other side. So like that. And then this cutie patootie, which I think we've already looked at. All right, so I have some gold paint here. Let me get out a sharp, it's a paintbrush that has a bit of a sharp tip. Just going to be careful. There isn't a whole bunch you can do because the surface you're working on is so small, but you can play with colors, maybe even play with washi stickers. That's nice. What do you guys think? It's kind of cute, eh? I think I'll do the same on the other side for that one. I'm going to put it off to the side because I'm scared I'm going to knock it over. But let's see, I will use maybe this, no, let's use one that I've already decorated. Just going to close this paint so I don't knock it over. I'll kind of push everything off the page and bring out a journal. And just on the front page here, let's see. This one will look kind of nice. What do you think? if I were to use it there and then clip something underneath here, like a little tag or extra writing paper, something like that. I think that could be really nice. And you could even do something on the sides. Hey, what do you guys think? Would you do this? I think so. I think I'm going to decorate the rest of them and put them in my stash. And yeah, I'm glad I found them. So I'll leave that one there to remind me that I want to put it on that page. All right, you got, no, can't put it that side, got to put it this way. I've got bits and pieces all over the place that I don't want to mess with. There we go. Okay, thank you so much for dropping by and visiting with me, and I hope this is something that you will try, and let me know if you did. And if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.